Hello everyone, my name is T.V. Kumar and I'm from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today my topic is about hinged stars and cables. These are basically used to build huge structures or bridges. These provide the perfect balance and strength and stability that can be used to create some of the world's most iconic structures. So let's see. In this slide, we'll be learning about the hinged arcs, the basic, with definition, characteristics, historical significance, advantages and disadvantages. So let's start by learning the definition and characteristics. A hinged arc is a type of arc that has pinned connections at its bases. The arc is designed to transfer vertical loads horizontally to its abutments. So what are the historical significance of it? Ancient Romans first used hinged arcs to build aqueducts and support colossal structures like amphitheaters. They they have continued to use in architecture ever since. What are the advantages and disadvantages of hinged arcs? The main advantages of hinged arc is their ability to spin longer distances while being more cost effective. However, the hinge connection can sometimes be weak points of the structure. In this slide, we'll be learning about the 3-inch arc, definition and characteristics. A 3-inch arc is an arc supported on two piers with 1 inch at the crown. So these RA and RB are the two supports where the arc is set upon, and this circle on the top of the arch is called as the crown. This allows for a wider span and more even distribution of weight compared to other types. Examples of structures. One of the most famous structures that uses a 3-inch arc is a Garabet in France. Another example is the Madison Street Bridge in Chicago, among many others. So let's see the advantages and disadvantages of this. A 3-inch arc can span greater distances with fewer materials and offers more balanced load distribution. However, the hinges can wear over time and the construction process may be complex. So moving on. In this slide, we'll be learning about the cables, definition, characteristics, types of cables available, its advantages and disadvantages. So let's look into them one by one. The first, definition and characteristics. A cable is a flexible structural element that can support heavy loads by taking tension forces. They are made up of strong materials like steel and a fundamental part of suspension bridges, cables, stayed bridges, and more. These are very helpful as they are flexible and they can be used in bridges and many other structures. So let's look into the types of cables. There are three main types of cables used in architecture. These are suspension, cable stayed, and strutted. Each works well for different applications and design challenges. So let's see some advantages and disadvantages of cables. Cables are lightweight and can span long distances with limited materials. However, too much tension can cause them to fall and the anchor points need to be secured to ensure stability. In this slide, we'll be learning about hinged arcs and cables, the perfect match, its practical applications, its examples, its sustainability. So let's look into the practical applications of it first. The combination of hinged arcs and cables have been used in construction for unique, innovative, and beautiful designs. From stadiums to convention centers and even roofs, the possibilities are endless. So let's see some examples of these structures. The roof of Munich Olympic in Berlin, the Millennia Dome in London, and the Phoenix Convention Center are just a few examples of impressive structures that use this combination. So, what is the sustainability of this match? Hinged arcs and cables offer great potential for sustainability as they allow for more effective use of materials. They also give the opportunity for reducing energy consumption in buildings. So moving on to the next and conclusion, a perfect synergy. In this, we'll be looking into the summary of this presentation, what are the implications of the future of hinged arcs and cables, and some final thoughts. So let's see the summary first. Hinged arcs and cables offer unique and innovative design possibility in architecture and construction. They also allow for secure and stable structures while offering balanced distribution and weight and load. They also help in reducing energy conserved by the building and many more. So, what are the implications of the future for this? The potential for hinged arcs and cables in sustainable designs of great importance for the future constructions. Not only do they offer effective use of materials, but they can also reduce energy consumption in buildings. So here are some final thoughts about this. As technology and design continue to evolve, hinged arcs and cables are likely to play a vital role in the construction of more sustainable buildings and structures. So thank you everyone for watching this video and I hope you have a good day.